Hi, this is Tutor Nick P, and this is Word Origins 567. The word origin today is dominoes. Okay, so do you want a screenshot? Do it right now. Let's get right to it. All right, it's also good to note the game dominoes can be spelled with or without an E. The term dominoes derives originally from the Latin word dominus, meaning lord or master. If you go back further, 1600s, domino was actually a hood with a cape attached to it and was often worn by priests. In the 1700s, the term domino was used to refer to a cape with a mask worn at masquerades and dances. The idea came from French, in which domino was associated with priests. The black ebony pieces and the white ivory dots on a domino reminded people of the priest's cape and hood. Contrasting with when a mask was worn, one could see the whites of one's eyes. Or some also say the white may have come from the white surplus garments worn by a priest. Okay, and we just have 3 examples to show how it's used. One of his favorite pastimes is to play dominoes. All right, number 2, dominoes are also perfectly sized pieces that can be set up to be knocked over to create what we call the domino effect. Okay. And number 3, the activity of arranging dominoes to be knocked over led to the term domino effect, meaning something could cause a chain reaction. So one thing could lead to another thing that could cause this to happen, that to happen, etc. Okay, I hope you got it. Hope it was clear. Hope it was very informative. Thank you for your time. Bye-bye.